The vastness of the world's oceans conceal a complex and awe-inspiring phenomenon, the migratory patterns of marine species. From the majestic whales traversing thousands of kilometers to the elusive sea turtles navigating across ocean basins, these journeys play a critical role in the survival, reproduction, and ecological balances of countless marine organisms. This video will talk about a captivating realm of migratory patterns, exploring them, and what it can do to its environmental influences. Migration in marine species serves various purposes, with finding food, seeking optimal breeding grounds, and avoiding predators among the primary motivations. Environmental cues such as temperature changes, ocean currents, and the availability of food acting as guiding factors. For instance, some species migrate to warmer waters for breeding, aligning their movement with the reproductive cycle to enhance the chances of offspring survival. One of the most compelling aspects of migratory patterns is the connection to breeding and reproduction. Many marine species undertake extensive journeys to specific areas conducive to successful reproduction. The synchronization of migration with reproduction cycles ensure that offspring are born to hatch in environments where survival prospects are optimal. Certain marine species exhibit remarkable long-distance migrations, covering vast expanses of the ocean in search of food, breeding grounds, or more favorable environmental conditions. Whales, in particular, undertake annual migrations that span thousands of kilometers, showcasing the incredible endurance and navigational prowess of these marine giants. The ability of marine species to navigate across open oceans was positioned as a testament to their extraordinary navigational and oriental skills. Utilizing Earth's magnetic fields, celestial cues, and environmental landmarks, these creatures navigate complex migratory routes, often returning to the same locations year after year. The mechanisms behind such navigation remain a subject of ongoing scientific exploration. Let's take the emperor penguins as an example. From March to April, the penguins will start migrating to the sea for mating and food. We don't know how they know which way to go every time, but they always find a specific pattern that leads them to the sea. From April to June is when the winter kicks in, and they have to cuddle up to stay warm and not die to the harsh environment. They also reach the sea at the time and find their mates. From May through August, the penguins will suffer a harsh process. The female will go back to where they started for food, while the male takes care of the baby until the female comes back. This whole time without food for 3 months. After the female comes back, they will give the food to the babies, and the female will stand guard while the male goes back for food. They do this cycle for about a year before the baby is old enough to face the world. In conclusion, the migratory patterns of marine species unveil a world of wonder and complexity beneath the ocean's surface. These journeys are not more wandering but orchestrated movements essential for survival and ecological balance. As we continue to explore and appreciate the marvel of marine migration, our responsibility to protect these species and their habits become even more apparent. Through continued research, conservation efforts, and global cooperation, we can strive to ensure the enduring beauty and vitality of our oceans and remarkable creatures that call them home.